Mandeville salesman charged with embezzlement after failing to hand over rent money. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 66-year-old salesman, Winston McLean of Dunrobin District, Mandeville, Manchester, was arrested and charged with embezzlement after collecting $850,000 in rent and failing it to hand over to the complainant. The incident reportedly occurred on Daytona Drive, Kingston 20, on Sunday, May the 1st. Reports from the Hunts Bay police are that McLean was granted responsibility by the complainant to collect money from tenants on his behalf. McLean collected $850,000 over a period of time but failed to lodge the money in the complainant's account. An investigation was launched on Monday, August the 1st, and McLean was arrested in Manchester and subsequently charged on Saturday, August the 6th. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.